Hello students, welcome class 4 to your e-learning computer class. Previous class we have started a new chapter logo, how to write the logo procedure, writing procedure, how to, if you want to draw something, if you want to do something, first you have to write the primitive. That primitive is called a procedure, writing procedure, how to write a procedure. Previous class we discussed when we write a program, I write a procedure, and we have to follow few things. First we have to give the title line, then body, then end line. Previous class we discussed, and we have to follow some rules and regulations when you give a name of the title of the procedure. And the body, the primitives you have to keep in the body contains the primitives required to draw anything, to draw or the calculate if you want to do something, and the end line you have to write the end command you have to use, so that your program is completed, your procedure is completed. Okay. And now and where you will write the and how to open and how to load and how to erase the procedure. Previous class I discussed. So today I want to discuss repeat command. Suppose you want to draw a square. If you want to draw a square, all the lines are 100 units. Then first you have to draw FD 100, FD 100. Then if you want to draw a square, then FD 100, FD 100, the turtle will move this direction and this manner. Then RT 90, RT 90, then the turtle head will move in this side. Then again FD 100 if you want to draw a square, FD 100, and then like this again RT 90 to move the head of the turtle this side, and then again FD 100 and RT 90, then FD 100, then RT 90, the head will move this side, and then again FD 100, then FD 100, and then like this, and the turtle head will like that. Okay. And then you have to, if you want to draw a square, you have to use, and the RT 90 if you want to move the head of the turtle is like this, you can use then RT 90. Okay. That means you have to use this command if you want to draw a square in logo. FD 100, RT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 100 and RT 90. Okay. 4 times you use FD 100 and RT 90. Using the repeat command only in one line, in only one line you can write this program. No need to follow this. How? Using the repeat command. If you, here we are repeating FD command 4 times and RT command 4 times we used here, right? And without using this, you can apply repeat command. How to write the repeat command? To draw any drawing, we have to repeat the primitive to avoid repetition. If you want to avoid this repetition, you can use the repeat command, REPEAT, repeat command. It is used to run the instructions list repeatedly. Repeat command run the instructions repeatedly. How many times have to repeat? You have to give the number only. Suppose if you want to repeat that command 4 times, 4. If you want to repeat the command 5 times, if you want to repeat, here we repeat 4 times FD command and RT command. So, repeat 4. Wait, I will show it to you, and you will write the primitive in one line instead of writing a sequence or repeated primitive in a number of lines. Here number of lines we used here. Other than that, only repeat command if you write this program. How you can repeat? You can use the repeat command by writing repeat follow the number of times. After using the repeat command, suppose I want to use the repeat command, repeat, here you just only in one line, other than that line number of lines, repeat, REPEAT, repeat 4. How many times repeat? 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So, repeat 4, and you have to give the square bracket. In a square bracket, write down, there is the FD 100 space RT space 100 bracket close. Using in only one line repeat command, you use repeat 4 times have to repeat, which primitive you have to repeat 4 times, FD 100 and RT 90, FD 100 and RT 90. This command have to repeat 4 times, and then you can draw this square also instead of this number of lines. No need to use. Okay, for example, repeat number of and then commands. First repeat command, number of how many times have to repeat, that number of times, and in a square bracket that primitive you have to write. Now same as if you want to draw a triangle, it's a square we use. If you want to draw a triangle, FD 100 RT 120, again FD 100 RT 120, FD 100 RT 120. You can see this type of triangle in your, this is a triangle. Here if you write using the primitive, that means only FD and RT command, if you write FD 100 RT 120, again FD 100 RT 120, again FD 100 RT 120, this, and only one repeat command if you use FD 100 RT 120, again FD 100 RT 120, FD 100 RT 120. Okay, RT 120. If you can use this command, and other than that repeat command, only one command, repeat REPEAT. So easily we can, no need to repeat this command repeatedly. Repeat, how many times repeat? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, repeat 3, and in a bracket FD 100 and RT space 120 bracket close, and press the enter key. It will run and you can see. And draw a pentagon. If you want to draw a pentagon, here you have to follow this. So repeat command if we use, we can write the primitive very easily and in a short time also. Draw a pentagon. If you want to draw this type of pentagon, that means 5 side, have a pentagon, 5 side, 1 2 3 4 and 5. If you want to the FD 100 RT 72, FD 100 RT 72, FD 100 RT 72, 5 times we repeat FD command and 5 times RT 72. So using the repeat command you can write repeat. Okay, here you cannot see, repeat, how many times repeat? 1 2 3 4 5 times repeat, and FD, here FD 100 space RT 72 degree you have to turn the head of the turtle. FD 100 RT 72. How many times repeat? If you want to draw a pentagon, then 5 times have to repeat in a one line. Now turn over the next page. If you want to draw a hexagon, that means 6 side in a hexagon. Hexagon, there is a like this. Okay, this is the hexagon. How many sides? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here you use the FD 100 RT 60, FD 100 RT 60, FD 100 RT 60, again FD 100, again RT 60, FD 100 RT 60, FD 100 RT 60, FD 100 RT 60. In this manner you can see. Last the cursor, the turtle will be here. Then 6 times use the 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times FD 100 we used, and head of the turtle we moved 60 unit if you want to draw a hexagon. So you can apply over here repeat 6. How many times have to repeat? Repeat 6. FD 100 RT 60. If you want to draw a hexagon, angle 60, 60, repeat 6, FD 100, RT 60, then press the enter key. You can see this hexagon will be drawn on the main screen. If you want to draw a star, now if you want to draw a star, which using the repeat command you can make a star. Using the repeat command you can make a star, this type of star. Oh, not like that. This type of star, if you want to make it, if you want to make this type of star, repeat, how many times repeat? 5, repeat 5, FD 120, RT 1, FD 120, RT, repeat. If you want to make this star, then you have to apply this, repeat 5 times have to repeat 5, FD 120 space RT 144. So, repeat 5, FD 120, RT 144, then you can see this type of star. Now, let us check this part here. Write the procedure to draw the following: a pentagon using the repeat command, pentagon using the repeat command, this one pentagon I already shown, repeat 5, FD 100, RT 72, triangle without using repeat command. Without using repeat command, if you want to write FD 100, RT 120, FD 100, RT 120, FD 100, 6 times FD, then RT 120 you have to write. Next one is a square using and without using the repeat command. Using and without using repeat command, you have to write the square. I have shown it. And a star without using repeat command. Without using the repeat command, you have to write the star. First, FD 120, RT 144, FD 120, RD 5 times FD 120 and 5 times you have to use RT 144. Okay, draw a circle. If you want to draw a circle can be drawn in a logo using the repeat command. A full circle is drawn using the 360. Circle means like this. This is 360. Okay, 360 circle. Here is a 360 in a full circle and a semicircle using 180. 360 full circle and the semicircle is 180. 180 it's a semicircle. Okay. Here, to reduce the size of a circle, increase the number of steps and FD command and number of degrees in RT command. If you want to increase the number of steps, if you reduce the size of the circle size, if you want to reduce, you have to increase the number of steps in FD command and the number of degrees in RT command, and both you have to increase. Now, the table given below us the exact number of turns required to draw a full circle. Here you have to learn this one. You will learn this one, commands 360 n times. 360 n times. RT5, RT10, RT15, if you number of repeat. RT5, then you have to repeat 72, and 10, 36, RT15, 24, RT20, 18, RT30, 12, RT49 and RT66. You have to remember this table. To draw a semicircle, type the following command: repeat 180, repeat 180. Semicircle means 180 to repeat. Repeat 180, FD1, RT1 like this. Using the procedure, repeat 360, FD2, RT1. 360, FD2, RT1 like this. This type of. Now circle by typing circle in the input box by pressing the enter key to circle. If you want to write a procedure to circle. The title, before the title name you have to use to, TO2, and the name of the procedure name you have to give to circle, and repeat 360, repeat 36. Here repeat 36 time, repeat here, look, 36 time FD1 RT1, constantly it move. Here you can apply, repeat 360 time FD5 and RT10, FD5 and RT10, and then end, END, end. Then you can see this type of circle. To grow circle, repeat 36 FD2 RT10, repeat 360 FD4 RT10, then reduce the FD and FD6 RT10 and repeat 36 FD8 RT10. Okay. In this manner you can draw this type of then end command, END, end, that means procedure is end. To run the procedure, type grow circle. To run the procedure, you input box you just type grow, this because to grow circle, it is the name of the procedure, title of the procedure. Type grow circle in the input box and then press the enter key. Grow circle and then press the enter key. You can see on the main screen this type of picture. And now in the above example you can see that there is FD command with 2, 4, 6, 8 values. You can see 4 concentric circle. Okay. Then that means 2, then 4, then 6 and 8. Okay. And now here is, turn over the next page, fill color in a circle. How to fill color in a circle? Suppose you can draw a circle and you want to color it. It is also possible in logo. You can color. Filling color in a circle, you can fill color in the picture drawn in logo. To fill the color, the turtle should be placed inside the picture. When you color it, suppose you want to color this one, turtle should be inside the picture. If you want to color this circle, your turtle should be inside the picture. Okay. And to fill color, follow the given step. Circle, create a procedure to define a circle and save it with the name circle. First you draw and save it and type circle and press the enter key. And when you draw anything you can, and you just run the procedure, type circle and press the enter key. And then you can see on the screen the circle is there. Click on the shade option. Click on the shade option in the menu bar. In the menu bar there is the option shade. In the menu bar there is the option file, bitmap, shade, zoom, help. There is option set. You just click on the set menu. When you click on the set menu, a sub menu appear. When you click on the set menu, the drop down menu will appear, sub menu. There you just choose the float color, FLOOD, float color. First click on the set menu and then set menu, float color, float, and then you have to choose from the set menu float color. Float color, and then float color dialog box will appear. When you click on the float color, you can see this type of dialog box color will appear. Which one you want to choose? You can choose any color. Suppose you choose a green color, yellow color, red color. Choose the color and then click OK. After choosing the color, select the float color option. The float color dialog box will appear, and from the dialog box you just choose the color and desired color. Select any color your choice and then press OK, and then press OK. And move the turtle according by using pen up command and find FD command when you reach inside the circle. Inside the circle, pen up and then pen up, then move the turtle and put it inside the circle, and FD command when you reach inside the circle, type fill. When you inside the circle, you just type FILL and press the enter key. Fill, FILL, fill. From float color you can choose the color and there fill, FILL, fill. you just type fill and press the enter key. The moment you press the enter key, color will get filled in the circle. And when you use the fill F-I-L-L, type F-I-L-L and click here, you can see the color will fill inside the circle. Okay. And this is a fully a practical related chapter who installed in their home that logo. They will write, you all will try to write a procedure using the repeat command, and without using the repeat command, you all will write to try to draw all the figures, triangle, square, hexagon, pentagon, and there is a star. Okay. And next class I will discuss book exercise. This is the last chapter. Next class I will discuss book exercise. Thank you. Bye all of you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.